Hello everyone, welcome back to TongHacks channel, and today I want to share the tutorials how to create the new documents or the new Google Sheet on your iPhone. So here it is so simple. Just open the Google Sheet application or Sheet application on your phone. Okay, so after it's been opened, if you can see on the downside on the right corner, you select plus button. Just click the plus button, and now you'll be generated into the title part. Now you can type what title that you want to have on your documents. For me, I want to type it with a file 5. After you already filled the title, now just click the create button. Now you will be generated into your first page of your documents. The documents now is still blank. You can fill into any information that you want to have. So that's all for today's tutorial. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, and also subscribe this video.